you taking my mic?
Yes, so my name is Ida, and I'm gonna tell the solution to what we're gonna do with environment, especially forest. We need the forest because they're capturing the CO2, so that's a really good idea to prevent the forest. The problem we have is that we have climate change. We burn this fossil fuel, and we all know the story, okay? And then it's getting hotter, it's getting drier, and the more dry and hot it is, the more prone it is to catch fire. Next. So the solution is to do like this, but we already do in Denmark. We do like what is called grafts. I learned the English word is ditches. It's like small area. You just cut out of the soil, you fill it with water, and if there's a fire, it stops when the water is, so you can control the fire so it doesn't spread like insane. It will be in an area, and then you can control that and you can get rid of it. Another thing we can do is to have this kind of tower that will spray water out on the forest, and we are planning to not waste drinking water. We are gonna either clean seawater and use it, or we will use water that for some reason are not drinkable. So it's water that cannot really be used to anything else, and we are not wasting anything. Next. Yes, and we are gonna do with the forest, because the problem is that climate change is really, really fast, and like this species evolution can't really follow. So we are gonna change the forest to have trees that are more fire resistant. What we have now is like, we have a lot of spruce in the north, which is really, really bad because they easily catch fire. So we are gonna plant these trees instead because they are more moisture, and in that way they are more resistant to fire. And what we're gonna get rid of is these typical Scandinavian trees because they are more dry and they very easily catch the fire, and we have a lot of this in Denmark, and they catch fire like crazy because it's in that evolution that they dry up because they are on the ground and other plants will overgrow them. So what they do is that they dry out on purpose to catch fire, to burn the area, and then they have their roots deep in the soil and they spread a lot of seeds. So they will burn the area by purpose, and then there's only the seed of this plant that is left on the area. But now with climate change, it happens too much, so that's a problem. So this lyng we are gonna remove also. And next, and the way we are gonna do it, because we don't wanna lose flora. So we are gonna make patches in the forest and clear it patch by patch, so that we will have still an invasion of the original species that is in the forest. So we will clear it and then plant the trees that is more fire resistant, and then animals from the area around will go there. When the area is fine, then you can clear the area